How to change time on Fitbit. If you're constantly on the move and crosses time zones all the time, you may want to make sure that your Fitbit device's clock is accurate. In this video, we'll show you the steps on how to change the time on your Fitbit device. For demonstration purposes, we use a Fitbit Versa to show you the general steps. There can be a number of reasons why you want to change the time on your Fitbit device. Whatever it is, it's easy to do and won't take 2 minutes of your time. Although you can access your Fitbit account dashboard using your mobile, we recommend that you access it on a computer. The PC dashboard is more convenient to use compared to the mobile version in my opinion. If you have no PC or computer, then go ahead using your mobile's browser. Go to fitbit.com and log in. Then, from the Fitbit.com dashboard, click the gear icon. Then, tap Settings. Then, tap Personal Info. Under Advanced Settings, find Clock Display Time and select whether you want the time shown in 12-hour or 24-hour clock units. Then, click Submit and sync your device. If you don't have a computer, you can change the time on your Fitbit device using your Android. Make sure that you download the Fitbit app to proceed on this procedure. First, open Fitbit app. Then, in the Fitbit app, tap the Today tab, User Added Image, then tap your profile picture, then tap Advanced Settings. Then, turn off the Automatic Time Zone option. Tap Select Time Zone and select the correct time zone. Sync your Fitbit device. After you selecting the time zone, make sure to sync it to your Fitbit Versa to save the changes. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.